Welcome to another video from the Healthy by Nature channel. Here you will find tips and information on how to stay strong and healthy both physically and mentally. For that, just sign up. It won't cost more than a few seconds only. Also activate bell and you will be notified whenever we release a video. Leave your like and share with more people, so everyone will have access to more knowledge. In this video, we'll talk about a drink that has been doing good for the health of many people who adhere to the good habit of drinking it: garlic, ginger, lemon, and honey tea. This tea is a natural beverage that has been widely used for its medicinal properties and health benefits. Each of the ingredients has unique characteristics that, when combined, can provide a series of advantages for the body. Let's see briefly about each of the components of this tea and its benefits. Garlic is one of the most studied foods around the world, and its medicinal and nutritional properties have been proven by several scientific studies. One of the main properties of garlic is its antibacterial and antifungal action, which helps fight infections and prevent disease. It is also rich in antioxidants, which fight free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular disease. Another benefit of garlic is its ability to lower blood pressure and improve blood circulation, which can help prevent heart disease and stroke. Plus, it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and inflammation throughout your body. Garlic is also rich in essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, manganese and selenium. And, as if that weren't enough, it's low in calories and carbohydrates, which makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy and balanced diet. Ginger is a root that is used for consumption, both in natura and in the form of powder or essential oil. Among the main health benefits of ginger, we can highlight its anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antioxidant properties. It is also known to be effective against nausea and vomiting, and is indicated for patients undergoing chemotherapy treatment or with travel sickness. In addition, ginger has thermogenic properties, which means that it can help speed up metabolism and increase fat burning in the body, being an ally for those looking to lose weight. From a nutritional point of view, ginger is a source of vitamins such as vitamin B6 and vitamin C, as well as minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and copper. It is also rich in bioactive compounds such as gingerol and shogaol, which give it its medicinal properties. Lemon is an excellent source of important nutrients for health. Vitamin C is one of the most abundant nutrients in lemon, which helps to strengthen the immune system, prevent cardiovascular disease and maintain healthy digestion. In addition, lemon contains vitamin B6, B9, and potassium. But the medicinal properties of lemon go beyond its nutritional value. The fruit is also a natural antioxidant, which helps fight free radicals and prevent premature aging of the skin. In addition, lemon has anti-inflammatory properties that can help prevent chronic diseases like arthritis and diabetes. Another important property of lemon is its antibacterial action. Scientific studies have proven that lemon can be used as a complementary treatment for bacterial infections, helping to reduce the need for antibiotics. Finally, honey, which is a natural product produced by bees from the nectar of flowers. It is rich in nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and enzymes. In addition, it contains natural sugars, such as glucose and fructose, which provide the body with energy. We can highlight its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It is a natural remedy to treat cough and sore throat, as well as being indicated for the treatment of wounds and burns. Honey can also help improve digestion and regulate the immune system. In addition, honey helps lower blood pressure, as well as containing antimicrobial properties, fighting infections caused by fungi, viruses, and bacteria and relieving sore throat and cough. To have a more in-depth knowledge of the properties and benefits of each of these ingredients, let's leave a playlist in Arcane. We suggest that you watch it after this video, as it will certainly add more relevant information. Now, here's the recipe for garlic, ginger, lemon, and honey tea. Ingredients: 3 garlic cloves, peeled and minced. 1 piece of fresh ginger, about 2 to 3 centimeters, peeled and sliced. Juice of half a lemon. 2 tablespoons of honey. 500 ml of water. Instructions. In a mug, boil the water. Add minced garlic and sliced ginger to boiling water. Let the mixture boil for about 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the drink rest for a few more minutes. Strain the tea to remove the garlic and ginger pieces. Add fresh lemon juice and honey. Mix well. Drink the tea warm or at room temperature. Important notes. Consult a healthcare professional before starting to consume this tea, especially if you have any health conditions or are taking medication, to ensure there are no interactions or contraindications. Garlic, ginger, lemon and honey tea should not replace medical treatments or prescriptions, but can be used as a healthy supplement to promote general well-being. In the video description I will leave indications of materials in case you are interested in deepening this knowledge and habit of consuming natural teas that improve health. Remember that regular consumption of a balanced diet, physical exercise, and the adoption of a healthy lifestyle are fundamental to achieving good general health. And then? Did you like this content? Was it relevant? Added more value and knowledge? Post here in the comments and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications. Share with friends and relatives so that more people have access to this content. Leave your like, so YouTube understands that this information is relevant and makes it reach more people, so that everyone enjoys more health. Live a full life, face your challenges with faith, eat right, move with joy and walk hand in hand with happiness. Until the next video.